Assalamu alaikum. Today I'm going to talk about how to put cabbage in the ground. So these are the cabbage plants which I brought them, and similarly I dig a hole, put them in, and now I'm going to show you what is really important. It's called godi in Myanmari language. So basically what you do is you take this ramba or kurpa or whatever you call, you do like, you dig it like this and you do like this. See, what happens is any weed, you pull it up, you bring it up forward, and what happens, that weed dies. Plus the water, when you give water, it goes to the root. As you see, zameen gets poly here, naram. See, it's really very soft and there is really no weed. So whatever weed I come across, I throw it away. So cauliflower basically is also a winter vegetable. We got a little bit late in growing this. So what I do is every day I come into the garden and I talk to plants. I talk to them. How are you? How are you doing? If you don't talk to them, they don't grow. I talk to them sometimes in Punjabi. You need to speak to them. So I speak to them and then I keep on putting this across. Keep on burying it so it doesn't fall off because they go really tall. So like this. So you need to talk to your plants, you need to do godi, you need to water them, and then you will have the fruit later on. Thank you very much for watching this movie. Assalamu alaikum. This is Masood Hashmi. I'm going to give you the update on my cauliflower plants. These cauliflower plants which you see here, I have put them in ground roughly about 6 weeks ago. They were very small at that time. I dig the ground and put them in and make sure that I give them water and also I give them cow manure on the side. Now it's almost 6 to 7 weeks, and now I wanted to show you how they look like right now. So if you look at these, cauliflower here, this one, you see the cauliflower in there. And the cauliflower here. So all these plants have this cauliflower growing in the middle of it. Now, the cauliflower looks like multiple, it's made of multiple flowers, as you could see. So at this time, I want to avoid the sun on them because too much sun will change the color of this cauliflower to red color and brown color, and that it doesn't look good. So what I do is I have this rubber bands here. So what I do is I bring these leaves together, put this rubber band on them. Like that. So that saves the cauliflower itself, so the sun doesn't go, but they still can expand. Similarly, I'm going to put a rubber band on this also to cover this. In order to have good cauliflower plants and the fruit, you really need to make sure that you give enough water to them. So you don't want your soil dry. You really want to give them water. And the best time to really grow this is in the beginning of the winter. It's a winter vegetable. Now this year, it took me a long time to put them in. Now it's almost June, so that's why I'm covering these cauliflowers. So this cauliflower has a lot of antioxidants. It has a lot of vitamins, and it's eaten all over the world. You can eat it raw. You can cook it in meat. You can cook it in pakoras. You can cook it, just fry it. But I wanted to show you the result of this cauliflower today. Thank you very much. Okay.